guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this video, and from the title, I'm sure you are too. This is truly my dream bag. I know I've said that before, but if you were to create Carla as a bag, this would be it. I know it sounds funny, but truly this bag is so dreamy, so fun, and it's the perfect combo of casual wear, elevated, basics, if you want to put it that way, but with a Western touch, which is chef's kiss in my opinion. So last month happened to be my birthday, and I thought, what better excuse to just go and snag the bag. And as you guys know, one of my favorite designers is Ralph Lauren. If you were to ask me which designer out of all of them covers everything, and you truly love everything that they make, from casual wear, lifestyle, home goods, leatherware, you name it, one that covers everything, for me, it would be Ralph Lauren. Been a fan since I was a little girl. So anyway, long story short, I found my dream bag, and it was my birthday gift, so it's truly special. And I hope you guys love her as much as I do. But before we get started, I wanted to say hi to all the new faces here. I am so excited you're here and you're loving the content. I really appreciate you being here. I'm slowly growing this channel. I truly just see it as a passion project because I feel free when I'm creating this type of content. There's no schedule for me. There's no pressure. And I just truly do it because I love it, and I hope you guys feel that. I love to share travel, lifestyle, my little dog Loba, and just everyday things that make me happy. And I hope that by sharing them with you, you can also have a little treat for yourself or a little whimsical moment as well. Because if it makes me happy, I hope it makes you happy too. So let's get started. I don't have to go far because she's clearly here. And the most perfect dust bag. One of the things that I admire the most about Ralph Lauren is his attention to detail. Everything he makes and every little stitch and addition has a meaning and has a purpose, and I truly appreciate that when it comes to a brand, because it shows that they care and they put a lot of love and passion into what they make. And honestly, this bag is the perfect example of that. I was gonna go for the regular one, the one is just leather, but I walked in the store and I saw this one, and I just knew it had to be that one because of the stitching, because of the suede. Anyway, let me show you. Slow reveal. How beautiful is she? I'm gonna put this somewhere. There we go, that works. Back to her. This is the Polo ID Western bag. She's suede, and the color is stunning. Again, as I was talking about the details, the difference between this one and the one I thought I was gonna get is that it has the Western addition to it, which is the stitching all around the bag. It has it all around the front, on the sides, and it goes up to the handle as well. And the cool part is that the handle is adjustable, so you can make it shoulder, a little bit more like a crossbody, or longer strap if you want to. And that just summarizes why it is my favorite bag. Literally, if I can add a touch of Western to anything and everything, I would. And when it comes to my outfits, I feel like that's one of the things that brings me joy. So this bag will see the world with me. I love how big it is and how comfortable it fits on the shoulder. It is not too heavy. It is hardy enough, but it's not too heavy where you're like, oh, my shoulder's gonna hurt. Not at all. Also, the thickness of the shoulder strap is wide enough that it sits on your shoulder perfectly. And then on the inside, it's obviously wide enough. Look how big it is. You can fit my entire life here. And it has a little zip pocket inside where you can put your keys or lipstick, iPhone, any of the smaller essentials. And then it has a magnetic closure. To top it off, you just put this over and voila. Let me know if you have one or if you're thinking about getting one, and which color would you get it. They have so many options and so many colorways. I'm sure you guys have seen the mini one, which is adorable. I have the mini in a baby blue suede, which is also so cute. You guys loved it on TikTok. I posted about it, I think last spring, and that was such a hit. So now I feel like this one will be the big sister to it. I am so ready to have fun with this bag. She's coming with me everywhere. And one of the best things about this bag is that the more wear you give to it, the more style it has, the more lived in look it gets. So I think that's gonna be part of the fun, like little stories to tell with this bag. Another thing with fall being almost here, I am so pumped to actually style it with layers, with coats, with sweaters, and just be Western chic. If you follow me on Pinterest, you probably have seen all of my inspo, which is always cozy, chic, Western cabin, horses kind of deal. So this is just the perfect addition to my collection. And since the bag is suede, I want to make sure I take really good care of it. So I got this off of Amazon. I will link it for you guys. And it's basically a suede leather care kit, which comes with 3 different things. The suede cleaner, in case you get any stains on it. Protection spray. I will immediately do on my bag. Better safe than sorry. And a little brush for you to like clean out any dust or anything that might get on it that's just easy to remove. It's super soft but sturdy. And I think this is gonna be very, very helpful. Now, I was just gonna buy the first one I saw. I was actually at Nordstrom where I saw the first suede protector. And I looked at the warning on the back, and it said a million things about chemicals and toxicity and all these other things about the ingredients. And it was just like warning, capital letters, obviously. And that really made me think about what I was going to put on the back, because I know I'm going to be touching it all day, every day. And I knew that was going to be something that I wouldn't want to have to be touching. So I did a little research and I came across this brand, which is Leather Honey, and their products are clean. So I don't have to worry about the ingredients touching my skin and being toxic or just pure chemicals. I am happy I came across this, and I will link it for you guys below per usual. You can always go to my Amazon store and get it from there under Home Essentials. So if you're like me and trying to avoid toxic ingredients, this is a good option. And that way we can keep our bags clean and stain-free and looking great for as long as we can. So that's it for today. I truly hope you guys love the bag as much as I do. I feel like I need to name her for some reason, but we'll circle back on that. If you do have a Polo ID bag, let me know which color you have or which one I should get next in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Bye.